everyone. I'm just wanted to share a little bit of information on how to find a Creative Commons video on YouTube. That is something that I used for my page. I'm sure a lot of us did too. What you want to do first is go up to the search bar, and you see right there, I want to look for alpaca. That was what my web page is about because I'm a knitter and a spinner, and you can use alpaca fiber to do those things. So you click on filter. And what I did was I went for short videos, since that just makes life a little easier. And then go back up to filter, and you're going to click on Creative Commons. And what that will do is give you any videos that have public copyright licenses, so you can use them without getting into any kind of trouble with the law. And let's see if we can find an interesting video to look at. Here we go. Oreo Bloom sings her song. Let's see what this is about. And there you go. You'll learn something new every day.